Mandarin Oriental behind us. We're going to be checking out their newest rooftop bar called aBar Rooftop. Now, when I first visited the hotel back in sometime last year, this rooftop bar was still in the works, and they launched it a few months ago. So we're going to be checking it out, and I'm joined with Lynn.
Hello.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now that that's completed, I'm ready to go.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. The building's actually not that high, so I'm interested to see what kind of view we get. But yeah. Hi there.
How are you?
Well, good, thank you. aBar Rooftop. Nice little book. Let's see. So I'm gonna go for the strawberry vetiver. Some vodka. I might set the mood.
Very nice.
Sweet and fruity one.
Mocktail. Yeah, and no milk or egg.
But you're not allergic to anything, right?
No, I'm not allergic, but thank you so much.
Could I get the strawberry vetiver? That one?
Strawberry with that?
Yeah. I'm assuming it's sweet.
It's very balanced, I think.
Okay.
By the way, he's absolutely fine to have cheese. It's just me. Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you. Is there a is the rooftop part open?
So you want to go outside?
Yeah, just to have a look.
I can show you.
Oh, okay, yes, please. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
From this way, so you can go outside.
Ah, right. Okay.
Beautiful.
Nice. Hey, BT Tower.
No, we love that.
Got the London Eye over there. Got the Shard. Oh, I think you can see some rooms from here actually. Interesting. You can actually see some of the rooms. Well, you can see one room a little bit. But yeah, it's not a bad view actually. London skyline at night. And they don't actually serve drinks here, do they? I think it's just
No,
like a
not at this time of the year, they said.
yeah, it's like a smoker's spot basically. But yeah, it's not too bad. So far, the bar is rather quiet. Like I was expecting a bit more of an atmosphere, and it is a Friday night, 7 p.m. And there's no DJ. Like, where's the DJ? There's the DJ decks, but no DJ.
I can be the DJ.
Go on then.
Is that what they do?
No, that's not what. They don't karate chop the decks like. Okay, let's head back in. So we've received our drinks. I was expecting a bit more. I can't lie. Like, where's the rest of it? That's £21. And what did you get?
Mine smells nice. It's rhubarb and rose, I believe.
Yeah.
And it's
Can I
quite
smell
sweet.
it? Let me
Yeah.
smell it. Can I taste it?
No.
Okay.
I get the taste first.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Crackers.
Yep.
10 out of 10 crackers. 10 out of 10 cashew nuts.
Yeah, like 3 out of 10 cheese.
Shall ask for more.
So we've just paid and we're weighing up the options for other bars in the area. We only got one cocktail and that came up to, sorry, 2 cocktails, and that came up to £40.25. So, yeah. So we were probably at the Rooftop bar for an hour. It was a little bit of a letdown because the DJ wasn't there due to refurbishment, and there wasn't really many people in the bar, and this was at like 8 p.m. on a Friday, so it just felt a little bit too quiet. And on top of that, both our drinks weren't great. So yeah, I think sadly, I wish I could bring you guys along to where we go next. Maybe you guys need to comment if you want to continue the journey with us, but yeah, we're gonna end the video here. I'm trying to get Lynn in the frame, but it's locked onto my face.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna sign out?
Yes, please subscribe, like, comment.
Like and comment.
And if you want to see more of me, of course, you know, just comment that and I'll be in the next video, of course. Thank you, bye.
See ya.